Hello, everybody. It is the 20th of July, 2023, and it is your good friend Jack back here again with another Wax Daily video. On the screen, if you watched yesterday's video, you'll know that I got a ducking fuzz, and on the screen is the PFP that I received. It's okay. It's not the best one. I've seen better ones there, but sure, listen, we participated, and it was pretty cool all the same. So like I said, today is the 20th of July, 2023, and we have a couple of drops happening today. First off, we got Left Home, or Left House. It's a collection of artists producing film, music, and visual art, and they have their Bored Pepe Wax Club drop at a price of $1.69 USD. We collect and hold BPWC and earn. So that's worth checking out if you're interested. Lefthouse.art is the name of the website. That's happening today. Another project that we've also mentioned on the video series before is Zombie Coin, and they have their Sigal Pixel Collab NFT drop today. Zombie Coin is an NFT resource gathering and crafting game on the Wax blockchain. So we've spoke about them before. It's just a brief mention of the Zombie Coin project again. And finally, we have rapper JRG. I think they have done a drop before, or a few drops before, and it's just the Favela Boys edition music drop. So check that out. JRG Trade Card is the name on Atomic Hub, and it's drops by rapper JRG. So again, just another quick series, your Wax Daily on the 20th of July 2023. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. These videos aren't much without the community behind them, and we appreciate everyone who interacts with the videos or takes some time to watch them. From your good friend Jack here on Thursday, enjoy everyone. See you again. Bye-bye.